This is a video on how to create an event. Go to eventinjudge.com, log in. Once logged in, just scroll down to events and click create. The event title. Okay, and all of this can actually get changed later. It doesn't actually have to be set in stone now. I do not have a banner right now or a logo, so we'll get those in a little bit, or some pictures. So the description, I'm going to come to the PDF and copy and paste this. Get us started. The date will be month 3 2020, and it will start at 8 a.m. and it will end the same day. It'll end at 1:30 p.m. The street, we don't really have a street because it's in a parking lot, so I am going to just fill out this Stillwater, Oklahoma 74075. It'll end up being the phone number. We'll go ahead and stick Steve Marks in there, so 405-747-5903. The flyer is actually what I'm looking at here, so I'll go ahead and upload that. It'll take a sec for it to upload, okay? And then we'll click save. So that should have our event up and running. So a couple key things is we do have a flyer, and it says fill out the legal. I'll do that on a different video. This map marker is Stillwater, and we can actually come over here and we can find set the event GPS here, and I know that it's in Cimarron Plaza, so we'll find Cimarron Plaza and we'll just click on the map and it's set. So we'll go back to it. So my map marker changed.